Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I was working on this project of creating a gramophone in Blender. I encountered a peculiar issue while working on it. It was that the active object was being selected and highlighted only in the layout mode. However, on switching on to the shading tab, I could see that the active object wasn't being highlighted, though the active objects are being selected and highlighted in the outliner. As you can see here, that all the changes made to the active objects are being affected. Not sure what went wrong. But after a lot of struggle, I noticed that the show overlay option was disabled. On enabling the overlay option, the active objects were now getting highlighted. Hope this helps. Thank you.